to my channel, The Baking Diva. My name is Dolores, and if you're new here, I make all sweet and savory dishes. I throw in a holiday and a vacation, and a few times a year I do a review. And today I'm doing a review for you. Now, this company called REIDEA, I believe that's the name, I will put it up on the screen for you. They contacted me. Now, I should say I'm not getting paid at all to do this video, but they contacted me because I'm a baker and a cook, and they said, would you like to review our pastry brushes and our spatulas? And I said, well, I use them all the time, and I actually could use a couple of new ones. I said, so send them to me, and I'll see if I like them, and then I'll review them. So what I received is this box. It's actually a nice gift box, and I'm going to put some stills in the video for you. Oh, and before I go on, look behind me. Woo! I'm learning how to do a green screen. Yep. I did my first green screen on the birthday video I did in collaboration with my friend, Little Poet. And now I have this green screen behind me, so practice makes perfect. I hope you like it. So anyway, it came in this box, which is really nice for gift giving. And I'm going to open it up. I'm going to do an unboxing now, and I'm going to show you what these look like. I haven't taken them out of the box yet. I wanted to wait for you. Let me see. Okay. Oh, so look what we have here. We have spatulas and basting brushes. And it looks like there's 6 of them in here. So let me see. We have a blue spatula. These are smaller ones. We have a yellow one, a red pastry brush, let's see, an orange one. Whoa, these are beautiful. A pretty green one and a purple one. Look at this, a rainbow of spatulas and basting brushes. Now, you might ask, well, Diva, why are these pastry brushes in all different colors? Well, I'll tell you. First of all, cross-contamination is not something you want to do. So, for example, they suggest, let's say you want to use the purple one for baking, right? Then maybe you can use your red one for fish. Maybe another one for meat, and so on. And then you have your 2 little spatulas here that are great if you want to just get into a small bowl and scoop something out or mix it and you can't put that big spatula in there. Now, what I really like about these are the handles. They're very sturdy. You cannot bend these handles. Handles are thickened, and they're made out of thickened steel. That's right. So as you're using these, they are not going to bend or break on you. Now, they're all made out of silicone. Now, I've had the old basting brushes that are made out of that, I'm not sure, boar's hair with the wood handle. I'll put a picture in and show you. I personally don't like them. I don't think they're real sanitary. It's very, very hard to get those bristles clean. A lot of times they break on you, and you're really not supposed to use them for everything. You shouldn't use one of those when you're basting a cake pan and then go and use it for your meat too. Very hard to get clean. You're really not supposed to put them in the dishwasher. They're not my basting brush of choice at all. Sorry, that's my parrot screaming in the background. Forgot to take her out of her cage. So my preference is definitely these silicone basting brushes. I think they're so much better. The silicone brushes are easy to clean and they're dishwasher safe. So I really like them. I think they're more sanitary, and look at those bristles. You can clean them really well. These brushes are heat resistant for up to, I believe it's 315 degrees centigrade. These brushes are heat resistant. What do you use a pastry brush for? You use it for a lot of different things. You can use it for applying your egg wash or your glaze to delicate dough and pastry, right? You can use it to apply your oil or your butter to certain doughs. You can use these for, if you're a baker like me and you're baking a cake, for brushing these off of the cake, the crumbs off the cake. And I think these are a wonderful set. They also would make a great gift for someone. You know, sometimes when you have to go to a shower, like a bridal shower, they tell you to bring something in for the wishing well. Well, you already have it in this nice package and in this gift box. You can put your tag on it or a bow, and you're all set. So what do I use some pastry brushes for? Well, I am in the process of filming. I'll be starting episode 5 of my series, The Best of the Bundts. That's the Bundt Cakes. And this is a little mini Bundt Cake pan. Now usually I'll spray my flour and my oil spray in there, but you can also take one of your pastry brushes, you dip it in your oil, and as I'm doing, you just brush it with your pastry brush onto the pan. It easily gets in all the crevices, and this way your cake won't stick to your pan. Some of the other uses for this are, well, I'm making a roast beef for dinner tonight, as you can see here. Wow! Have you seen the price of beef lately? Not good. And I have some barbecue sauce over here. And let me grab this. Everybody in the family likes Sweet Baby Ray's award-winning barbecue sauce. And you can take another brush. Of course, don't use the same one because we don't want to cross-contaminate. And we can put our barbecue sauce. This can be, they can be used outside on a grill. I mean, you know, I don't have to tell you, there's so many uses for pastry brushes. I mean, I use them for so many things. So I was thrilled when the company, REIDEA, told me that they would give my subscribers a discount. And I thought of another thing. Let me move the meat out of the way that you can use these brushes for. I love to make chocolate, to mold my chocolate. And I have a lot of the chocolate molds. And some of them you have to brush your chocolate inside the mold. And this is perfect for that. You just take it and you brush your chocolate inside the mold. And like I said, these are so easy. Rinse them off, throw them in the dishwasher, sanitizes them, and they come out great. Now, the company said they will be happy to offer my subscribers a 20% discount if you order these. And they are on Amazon. They're actually only $10.99, and then you would minus your 20%. And if it's Prime, you don't pay for shipping. So I think that's a really good deal. So they gave me a code. I'm going to put it on the screen for you. The code is Dolores20 off. So you'll see it right up there. So I really think for that price and for the quality of all of these basting brushes and spatulas, you can't go wrong. I would run, don't walk, over to Amazon and order these. These will probably last you a lifetime. So, thank you to REIDEA. I hope I'm not crucifying their name, for sending me these brushes and giving me the opportunity to give my subscribers a 20% discount. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Please feel free to go down below and hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it and you'll be a subscriber. And that's all there is to it. So, from moi to you, I want to thank you all for watching this review. Trust me, I don't review everything I'm asked to. I only review a few of those things that I think are worthwhile, and I think these are. You really can't go wrong for the price. So, from moi to you, have a wonderful day, stay well, and oh, Valentine's Day is on Monday. So everyone, have a happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you all very soon. What do I say? Toodles! Mwah!